What is going on, Draw to Crew? Ramny here with a brand new drawing tutorial for you guys, and this is going to be the last day of our Spongebob Squarepants drawing tutorial series. So there's going to be this one and there will be one more after this. I am saving the best for last, so definitely stay tuned for that bonus video. Anyway, we're going to draw Squidward. We're going to draw full body, so I've got my paper in portrait because we are going to draw full body. Let's get started, you guys. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line going down the center of my page because he's pretty much going to be symmetrical this way. Okay, and then I'm going to draw now an oval right about here and about this big. Now, so the size of the oval kind of matters. So you want to pay attention. You want to make sure that your oval is just the right shape. And this is kind of how it should look, okay? Now, if you guys are having difficulty drawing your curves and stuff like that, then, move your paper around to try to get those curves as best as you can. Okay, now I'm going to draw two lines going down the sides here. But this big, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw this. It kind of looks like a sausage, a hot dog, from here to here. Okay, so that's basically Squidward's face. And then if you go to the base of the this oval that we have, so here in the center, that's the start of the nose, and then the bottom of it goes about this far down. So make a teardrop. Okay, there you go. We are done with the shape of the face. Neck going down about that much. And then now we can draw the torso. Okay, so from here, the base of the neck, I'm going to draw two lines going out in angles about that much, and you want to make sure that it's symmetrical still. Okay, right here, I'm going to find the shoulders, and it's going to be here and here, not too far apart from each other. And they go down to about here. Okay, now you want to pay close attention that the torso, this is the torso, you don't want it any bigger than, say, like the size of the head here. Like, you don't want this to be bigger than this. Okay, so pay close attention to the proportions as you go, and also pay attention to the size of things. So how does this rectangle look compared to the nose? If you want to look at the reference photo, I have that in the description, so make sure you check that out as well. Okay, there you go. Half circle over here. Let me zoom out for this one. Now we're going to draw the legs, and the legs are going to go down, and I'm going to start right kind of off center. So if this was the center right here, a little more to the left, I'm going to bring that down to here is good. Okay, and I'd say this length right here, if it's about the same length as from here to kind of this area here, it's about the same. So you kind of just pay attention to those kinds of things. Okay, so there you go. That's where the legs are going to be. This comes out like so, this comes out like this. And we'll worry about that later on. He does have 4 tentacles, 4 feet down at the bottom, and we're gonna add details to that in a bit. Let's go back over here. Let's fill in the arms. There's one arm, and there's the other arm right there. Okay, now you want to pay close attention to the negative space here. This is the shape of the triangle that I want. Okay, and you want to do the same thing on this side. There you go. Curve right here, and a curve right here. Okay, now let's go back over here, draw a curve for the elbow, and then bring this towards the wrist, and as you go down, you want to make it a little bit wider as you go down, so just like so, and then same thing over here, you want to curve the elbow and get wider as you go towards the wrist. Okay. There's the palm of the hand. If that's what you want to call it. He doesn't have hands really, they're tentacles. Okay, and then here, parallel here, like that. Okay, parallel to this line. There you go, and down. Okay, so we've got the basics for Squidward here. I'm gonna go zoom in on the face and we'll get started working on the details. Before we do that, let's cut to commercial. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, this video right here is brought to you by these awesome Patreon patrons. If you are interested in knowing more about how to support this channel through Patreon, check out the link down below, patreon.com/drawit2 for more details. Anyway, let's cut to commercial and then let's get back to business. All right, you guys, I have zoomed in on Squidward's face, so let's go and get started adding the details, and we're going to start off by figuring out where the eyes are going to go. So if you look over here, about this far down from this line, so right around here and here, those are going to be the base of the eyes, and then they're going to go up to about up here. Okay, I'm going to draw this right one first, or sorry, left eye. Draw a nice egg shape with a line going across the middle like this, and along the sides of that line, along the ends of it, you want to curve it so it looks like this. Okay, continue that line going in, and then another line going down the center, going across the center like that. Okay, and then here you want to do the same, and it's going to be this one on the right, the left eye overlaps this eye. So you want to draw this one underneath. Same size, same shape, same line going across. And then you want to do the same thing at the end. The line going across right here. Okay. Now you want to give him a that look with the one brow going down. So erase the top part of that eye and then draw a line going across. And then this one is going to have the brow, a wrinkle above that, like that. Okay, Squidward's eyes are rectangular. 1, 2. Nose, mouth is going to go from here, going across to this side. You want to draw those edges like this. Okay, and then as for the lines, this goes like this underneath the nose, of course. That goes like that, goes around, and then just follow the head. Probably might be better for you if you turn your page so you're not like awkwardly drawing this curve and you've got your wrist at a very weird angle. So you don't want to do that. Okay, and then these spots at the top, probably just going to just spread it around like that, not too much. And there is Squidward's face. Okay, now let's draw the collar. Actually, let's zoom in a little bit so you guys can see this one, because it is a little bit intricate. So here we've got the shirt. I'm going to draw a V shape right here, just kind of within the neck. Okay, and then at the top of that V shape, 2 lines that go out like that. Now on each side of that V shape, I'm going to draw a triangle like this, another triangle, not quite a triangle, like 2 sides of a triangle, like so. Okay, this goes around the neck, like this. There you go. Okay, I'm going to zoom out. Let's do the sleeves. Sleeves go right here. So from the top past this bottom line, going in. Same thing over here. Okay, as you do that, erase these lines. You do want to leave this line right here, the armpit line. And then this goes down, and we are done with the shirt. We're pretty much done with the lower half, like the crotch area. It's funny how these cartoon characters have shirts, but they don't have anything that covers their bottom. I always found that very funny. Okay, so I'm just going to shape this. Like that. Okay, this curves like this. Okay, so what I did was I drew a line from here going to the corner. And I'm just kind of fixing the roundness of it. And then you have suction cups right there and there. Okay, same thing over here. Bring that to the corner. 1 circle for a suction cup, half a circle right there. And there you have his other hand. Boy, looking a little messy. There we go. Now we are pretty much done in the top. Now we work on the bottom. Bottom's really easy, you guys. Find a spot right here, the ankle. It's gonna be right here, but right around here where it gets kind of starts to get narrow. Okay, so from the top it goes narrow until you get to this point, and then it starts getting wider. This one goes to the edge here. So it looks like 2 legs, but then they're a little bit off balance because I'm going to draw a 3rd leg right here. Okay. Boy, I'm just messing this up. There you go. Okay. So those are 3 legs. The 4th one you're not going to be able to see, it's hidden behind these 3 legs. Okay, and you want to make this 3rd one a little bit skinnier than these 2 in the front. Okay, so let's go down here and let's work on these parts first. I'm going to draw a line going up like that. And then same thing up here. You want to try to make sure that they're about the same size. Curve this and then bring this towards the leg. Okay, this goes down like this, and then the leg. Okay, and then from here draw a curve that goes to the bottom, then 2 suction cups, and same thing here, going down to the bottom. I'm going to draw 3 suction cups in this one. Okay, the 4th leg is going to go, you'll see it stick up here, down, and then to the back. And then this one, 3rd one, goes up here, down again, and then just follow along parallel to this line until you meet that leg. And I'm looking to see if there's anything else, and I think we are done. Let's zoom out. There, you guys, is Squidward from SpongeBob SquarePants. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. And you guys, that is all the time that we have for this video. Thank you so much for tuning in all the way to the very end. I appreciate that a lot. If you guys are proud of your drawings, I would love to see them. So head on over to Instagram, tag me at Draw2 so I can see your masterpieces. If you guys are ever curious about the tools that I use for drawing or the equipment that I use to make these videos, I have links in the description of this video, so make sure you guys check that out. If you are feeling extra generous, I have links down in the description as well for different ways that you can show your support on this channel. I already mentioned Patreon, but there are other ways as well, so be sure to check those out. Links in the description. Your contributions go a long way in ensuring that I can continue making videos just like this for you guys to enjoy free of charge. Again, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video right here, comment down below, and share this with your friends in your social media. And speaking of social media, don't forget you guys can find me on Instagram, on Facebook, and of course on my website draw2.com, where you can find a free coloring page based on the tutorial drawing that is found in this video. Again, you guys, all of the links to those are found in the description of this video, so be sure to check that out. Finally, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. And yeah, stay tuned for more so you can learn to draw it too. I'll see you guys next time.